Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in a Ford F-250 key fob. If you have one that looks like this, it usually has some features, allows you to unlock the car without being close to it, or potentially even start the car. But what you need to know to change this fob battery is, first thing I want to do is remove the internal valet key. So on the front side here, there's a button right at the top. If you depress that, that allows you to remove this internal valet key. Now to get access to the battery, flip the fob over, and you'll see there's kind of this backing here, and we need to pop this off. If you have a flathead screwdriver, you can kind of get in the side here, there's some little slots, and pop that off, or you can just take the valet key, makes it really easy, and fits right in there, and just pop that off, and you'll be able to pop this back, just a little bit of pressure, and that'll pop off and give you access to the battery that we need to change here. So the battery is a CR2450 coin battery. To pop this out, there's a small little hole right here. If you take like a paper clip or a small flathead screwdriver, you can pop this battery out like so, and there it goes. And again, the CR2450 coin battery, and grab a new one, put that in there like so. Make sure the positive side is facing towards you. And then when you're replacing the back, just notice this notch here at the base. Put that in first, and then the rest will pop in really easily. Put your valet key back in, and boom, I've changed your battery on the Ford F-250. This is a more modern one, used from 2017 to present. And again, this is a CR2450 battery, and I'll put a link to that online. All right, thanks.